मस्ताने करबला एपिसोड 2। औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। क़ाला रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि व आलिहि वसल्लम इन्नल हुसैना मिस्बाहुल हुदा व सफ़ीनतुन निजात। Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, Imam Hussain alayhi salam is the lamp of hidayat, guidance, and the boat of salvation. The boat of salvation means the boat of freedom. So tomorrow in the first episode I have explained about this hadith, what this hadith mean. Now today we are going to continue and our topics will be who is Imam Hussain alayhi salam and what happened on 2nd of Muharram. So firstly our third Imam Hussain alayhi salam was born on 3rd Shaban, and Imam Hussain alayhi salam is the son of Imam Ali and Bibi Fatima Zahra salamullah alayha. Imam Hussain alayhi salam, when he was born, and Jibreel came to give Mubarakbad to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw that an angel without hair and feathers came there. Then Jibreel told, he is Fitruz. And a long time back, when he was doing the ibadat of Allah, worshipping of Allah, Allah had kept him on the 4th sky. But he was proud of himself and he said, nobody is like me. So Allah got angry and then he took his hair and feathers and threw him on the land. So now when I was coming, he told me to take him to Prophet and he will give him freedom from that punishment. Prophet said that there is the cradle of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, tell him to go and touch to it. So when he touched the cradle of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, then he got his feathers and hair back. But now when he got his feather and hair back, again he flied high and he said, nobody is like me. Jibreel said, get little back, otherwise you all will also came in the azab which is going to be on him. But no azab came on him. Why? Allah said that first he said nobody is like me who worshipped Allah like this. But now he is saying nobody is like me to Hussain has given freedom. So now he is admiring Imam Hussain alayhi salam. So this is Imam Hussain. Imam Hussain alayhi salam is son of Imam Ali alayhi salam. Imam Hussain alayhi salam is the one whose head was cutten off, but still it was risen up. And Imam Hussain alayhi salam is the one who had been martyred in Karbala. On 2nd of Muharram, Imam Hussain alayhi salam reached Karbala. When on 28th Rajab, Imam Hussain alayhi salam left Medina. And after this he came to Makkah, and after leaving Makkah, he was coming on the way of Karbala. Then Hur stopped the way, and then Janab Hur alayhi salam at that time stopped the way, and Imam Hussain alayhi salam had given him water to his army and to him also, and also his animals. After this he prayed behind Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and then he took Imam Hussain alayhi salam to Karbala. So today is the 2nd of Muharram, on which date Imam Hussain alayhi salam had reached Karbala, and then he put his tent near the Darya Furat. So this was what happened on 2nd Muharram, and who is Imam Hussain I have explained in short. So I hope you all have liked it, and if you all have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel Zikr Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel Zikr Karbala. Khuda Hafiz.